Guys, so this is going to be a quick like how-to video on this unit from Eva Wigs. The color is a natural black. The hair length is 22 inches. The lace color is a medium brown. The cap construction is a 3/8, so that means you have the stretchable full lace cap with 1, 2, 3 combs in the front area. You have free parting throughout the wig, and you also have an adjustable band in the back to, you know, tighten it or loosen it on your head as you see fit. The density of this unit is 130%, so that is a more natural density. It looks really natural. I get tons of compliments when I wear this hair. The hairline of this is a natural hairline. I haven't really did much to the hairline because obviously you see how I'm wearing it in the middle part that it came in. And you're going to see in the video where I show you kind of how I wear it. So because my head is huge, let's just be honest. My head is humongous. Attach all the combs and then gel the whole perimeter of my hair, the lace front down. I really can't do that because my head kills me. Like, my head hurts and it's just not a good feeling. And I learned that when I went to Disney because I did that. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to be on rides. You know, I want to be real secure. You know, I don't want my wig flying off. But I've learned a better way for my head size to just make this hair work for me. If I was purchasing this hair, I would definitely go up a size and not get the average size, because average is just as it says, average is not for me. I need something a smidge bigger, just a little bit bigger. But anyway, guys, that is basically all for now. Hope you enjoy this video. And guys, so let's go ahead and get started on this how to put on a lace front featuring Eva Wigs hair. So right now I'm just showing you adjustable straps on this hair and the 3 combs that are attached in the front. I'm also showing you how stretchy the cap is. What I'm going to do now after I show you the combs is place this unit on my head, because I kind of want to see where I wanted to lay at before I actually apply the glue. So now I'm just pulling it back a little, and my wig cap slid back, but I don't really care because I kind of need to push back anyway to put the combs in the sides and not in the middle part like I normally do. So now I'm just applying the got-to-be glue gel on my hairline. So now you're going to take a blow dryer and dry that area really quickly. Then you're going to do this step for the second time after that, and just look, you're only going to need a little bit of this gel. That's all you really need. You don't need a lot. You don't need to like slather your hair in gel. So after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and press down this edge some more and adjust it as I see fit. I'm also gonna go in and touch it up with some concealer. Well, not concealer. Yeah, it is concealer. It's the NARS Monday concealer, and I just like to dab that up there. So then after that, you're gonna take a scarf and tie down your hair for at least like 10 minutes. If you have more time, that's even better, but I find just leaving it on. And usually I would be doing my makeup at this point, but you know, for the sake of the video, I did it before. But yeah, just tie down your hair, and now I'm gonna just go ahead and fluff the hair back up, because after you tied it down, it kind of smushed it in the top crown part, and you definitely want a little bit more volume. As that is the end of this video, so you saw how I put on my lace front. You can follow these steps to go ahead and get you a lace front on as well. And remember to use the code Turtlelovesbeauty at checkout on Evawigs.com to save 15% off your order. Thanks for watching. Bye.